Come on, guys. Don't be a bunch of wusses. We're not being wusses. Wait up, guys. Yo, I don't think this is a great idea. Come on, let's go. Oh, fine. See you guys there. I'm still gonna beat them, dude. All the way back there. Guys, come on. Oh, jeez, man. You can run so fast. Literally. Come on, guys. Let's go have some fun. I don't know, bro. This doesn't seem like the best idea. Oh, come on. We'll be fine. Alright, if you say so. We've been moving for a while. What? We should stop here. Okay. We will. But first, guys, let's eat a little bit. Yeah. We'll find the herd later, okay? Alright. Yeah, I know. Awesome then. Jeez! Come on, you gotta work harder to catch up than that. Ooh, let's go to that dirt patch. Yeah, it seems nice and cold and chilly. It'll be good for our hooves. I'll meet you guys on it. I bet you I can make a hoof print. Oh, look at that. I made one. That's so cool. Guys, come on. Don't be a scaredy cat. We're not being scaredy cats. We're being safe. There's a thing called safe and scaredy cat. Yeah, whatever. Let's just go. Come on, man. Come on. Could you guys ever wait up for me? Oh, jeez. This is ridiculous. I think we should just sit here for a little bit, guys. Honestly, I do too. Oh, that looks like a great spot to relax. It's a nice little open patch here. Let's do it. A rat. Yo, guys, we should take a nap. Getting a little tired. Alright, well, guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, since I'm the only one left, I might as well go to bed. Morning, everyone. Rise and shine. Jeez, I slept so good last night. We should probably get to finding the herd again today. Yeah. Let's get going, guys. All right. Just never ends. No, it does not. We're in the middle. We're so close, guys. Come on, just a little bit further. Ah, come on, it's so bright. Okay, let's keep going. Human territory. We're approaching human territory. Man, where's the herd? I could have sworn it was right here. Hey, I could have too. Honestly, I'm surprised we aren't here yet. And like, come on, we've looked everywhere, guys. Do we really know where we are? Maybe we're lost. Maybe we should try to find them. Oh, come on, it'll be fine. I'm sure we'll find them soon. But what if we don't? Then I don't know. I think we will. I'm sure we'll find them though. You can't be sure. You're never sure. Yeah, I know I'm not. But we could try to be sure for once. Don't you think? Oh, come on. Our parents are probably worried sick. We want to get back soon. Otherwise, we could be grounded, guys. I don't think any of us want to be grounded on the weekends. No, none of us do want to be grounded. Let's go. Let's do this thing. All right. I'm coming. Oh my gosh. Where the heck are they? I'm starting to get really worried. I'm sure they'll make it back soon. Oh gosh, I hope so. Otherwise, they're gonna have the biggest punishment they've ever had. Ugh. And they're just trying to have some fun. I mean, they're kids. Come on, let them be kids. They better get home, and Flash better be home. We're here. Right here. Flash, I was so worried. Don't ever do that to me again. I'm sorry. Orange juice on Dad. I'm home. Oh, thank God, sweetheart. You scared me to death. I'm sorry. Mom, Dad, I'm home. You think me and my friends could go explore? All right, sweetheart. But please make sure you get back this time faster. Sorry, we just got a little confuzzled. But we'll be back. Jake has to take a nap, it looks like. So I guess me and Flash will just be going. All right, Diablo, but be careful, all right? Yes, Dad. We can do it. Let's go. Yo, yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, look how gorgeous it is. Whee! We should get out of here. Yeah.